Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that can be a little intimidating for some of us, investing in the stock market. But don't worry, we're going to break it down and make it super simple for beginners to understand. So are you ready to learn how to start making your money work for you? Let's get started. First things first, let's define what the stock market is. Simply put, the stock market is where companies go to raise money by selling shares of their company to investors. When you buy a share of a company, you're essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares goes up, and you can then sell them for a profit. One of the biggest misconceptions about the stock market is that you need a ton of money to start investing. But the truth is, you can start with as little as a few $100s. Thanks to the rise of online stock trading platforms, it's now super easy to buy and sell stocks from the comfort of your own home. And with the average minimum deposit for a stock trading account being around $500, it's very accessible to most people. Now, let's talk about how to choose which stocks to invest in. This can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, but there are a few things you can look for to help narrow down your options. Firstly, you want to look for companies that have a strong track record of growth and profitability. This means that the company has been consistently making money and has a good chance of continuing to do so in the future. Another thing to look for is a company's management team. A strong management team can make all the difference in a company's success. Look for a team with a proven track record of success and who has experience in the industry the company operates in. Finally, it's important to diversify your portfolio. This means that you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket by only investing in one company. It's a good idea to invest in a variety of different companies across different industries to spread out the risk. So, there you have it. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be scary, and it's definitely something that anyone can do with a little bit of research and patience. If you're feeling inspired to start investing, we highly recommend checking out some of the online stock trading platforms out there. Just make sure to do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We'll be back with more great content soon.